Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Realme Narzo 60x 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, incorrect password entered. As you can see, phone locked. Try again in 27 seconds. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold the power and volume down key together for a few seconds like this. Press and hold it. And release. Here you can see now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm, or you can also use the touch feature. Now select language, and as you can see it will send you in recovery mode. Now you can see format data, reboot device and power off. Now tap on format data. So here you can see please enter verification code 6436. Enter it 6436, and you can see all user data will be reset. Now tap on format. You can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operation, and you can see data formatted. Now tap on OK. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset when it asks for password, use Google account instead to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Realme Narzo 60x 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.